channel. Oh, and we have a very good cause. And my mom will tell you why.
So guys, our goal is that we use this channel for charity for kids. So if we gain success through this channel, we would like to use our resources towards charity. So please show your fantastic support and subscribe. It's really only free to subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, this video is gonna be fun and we're gonna do magic tricks.
Wow, what is the magic trick about?
You have to pick a card and then you shouldn't show, and then I need to guess which one it is.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
So we've got 10 cards. So pick a card, any card.
Okay. I think I'll go for this one. And what do I do with this now?
Just put it on top.
Okay. Yeah, I've done that. I'm putting it on top. Okay.
Was it this card?
How did you know this? Yes, it was this card. How did you know? Prisha, will you please teach us this trick?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's do it step by step once again and you explain it to us. Okay.
So as you can see, I've got 20 cards.
So if people can handle more cards and they have bigger hands like bigger children or grown-ups, then they can use more cards, isn't it? Okay.
So I've got 20 cards.
Okay.
And I divide them into 2 groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. So then what do we do next?
So next, I'm gonna spread them out. And I'm gonna pick an audience. I'm gonna choose Mommy. Just pick one.
Okay. This time I choose this card. This is the card that we've chosen. Okay, so what do we do with this card?
Put it on top of this pile.
Okay, so your pile has to be neat and tidy so that you don't mix it up, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to put it on top of this pile. Okay. Now what will you do? Can you count aloud?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I knew this all along. I knew you were gonna pick this.
Okay.
Counting is really special because it depends on counting in the magic.
Oh, so are you telling that we need to count each and every card precisely so that we know exactly what's happening?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me explain it in this way.
Now can I pick a card?
So we had picked from this pile. This pile had 10 and we had picked one. So there are 9 cards now. And we have asked the audience to put a card on top of this pile. Okay. So when we place this pile on top, we know that 9 cards are from the pile and 10th is the one which the audience has picked. So we quickly count in our mind. 1, 2, 3, 4,
That one
5,
was a 21.
6, 7, 8, 9. And then the 10th is the card which we had chosen. So if you want to make this fun, you can also do it this way. Is it this card? No, 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 not this for sure. No, 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 no. No. I think it could be this, but my heart says no. This one? No. This one? No, no, no.
Yes.
So by this time, you know you have counted 9 cards and this is the 10th card. So now you pick it up and you say, let me think. Is it this card? And then you can ask your wand. You can just pretend. Do you think it is this card?
I want to try.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, the wand is saying a yes and this is the card. So just to make it a little more interesting and exciting and fun, you could play up a bit as well.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so you show this trick to us next time.
Woo.
Or you want to show it again?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is what I do. So I'm gonna put this feather loosely inside the wand.
Okay.
Okay. And none of these little feathers should show. Then I'm gonna tap it and I'll just like come out as if it wasn't inside the wand.
So you put it all the way in.
Yeah, and then I
Wait.
just slapped it like a slap bracelet.
Okay. So you show the audience that there is nothing at either end.
And
Okay.
then be good to your mummies. Otherwise, I will make you turn into this king. No matter if you're a boy or a